Mm-hmm. All right, we are live. There we go. All right, good morning, everybody. Good morning, good morning. Sorry for the delay. I do apologize. Normally, I do try to be on time as possible, but last night I was up till about 2 o'clock working on NFT projects, so comes with the territory. So I apologize for those of you who've been waiting, but we'll get to it. What I'm gonna do, like right now, oh, perfect. I am gonna go ahead and just recap the news. It's 8:54. Try and get this done for 9:05. That way we can kind of just get an idea of what the current sentiment is. So, all right. Yeah. Thank you, man. Appreciate it. All right. Good morning. Good morning. What's up, everybody? Yeah. So let's see. Okay. So right off the bat, guys, we've got floods and outages that are stalling oil firms' efforts to restart. After Ida, widespread flooding and Hurricane Ida at power outages slow efforts by energy firms to assess damages by oil production facilities, ports, and refineries. South Korea's parliament passes bill to curb Google and Apple commission dominance. One of the Biden administration plans is to make federal land cheaper to access for solar and wind power developers after a clean power industry argued its lobbying push this year that rates and fees are too high to draw investment and could torpedo the president's climate change agenda. Delta variant likely to hurt U.S. restaurant recovery. The spread of this Delta variant right now is threatening the fragile recovery of the U.S. restaurants. Nice. Well, if you go on YouTube, yes, but I can't turn around right now. One thing, we also have Perishing Square. I used to play them quite a lot. American hedge fund manager Bill Ackman. Perishing Square is buying an additional 2.9 of its Universal Music Group from Vividity or Vividity. I can't really do that right now. I'm too tired. 1.14 billion. The French conglomerate said so. So far, Wall Street futures have fallen a day after the S&P and Nasdaq topped their record closes, boosted by last week's dovish comments by the Federal Reserve on tapering monetary stimulus. Gold prices strengthened on weakened dollar and a fall in Treasury yields. European shares edged lower. Asian stocks reversed earlier losses to end in the green as fresh signs of a slowdown in China's economic recovery spurred hopes of more stimulus. Oil slipped as OPEC and allies geared up for a meeting on Wednesday amid calls for the U.S. to pump more crude oil, or more crude. Consumer confidence and home price data is due for release. If I'm not mistaken, I believe that data is already out. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Good morning. Yeah. Good morning. What's up, everybody? So we're gonna take a look here, man. You're always morning, dude. You're always right on time, right when I'm about to. Cause I just went through the economic calendar. It's gonna go show people a couple things. I'm streaming live on YouTube, so right here, guys, on Quiver Quantitative, we're gonna go ahead and take a look at what Wall Street Bets is looking at this morning. I think one of the reasons why we're doing this, one of the reasons why I'm eyeballing this is a lot of the times when SPY falls, our major indexes fall. That's when it seems like a lot of these people go on attack. So we could see, or it's good to monitor where that attention is going to. And right now it looks like CRSR is one of the top mentioned tickers within the last day. Within the last 7 days, GameStop, of course, is probably one of the most talked about, BABA being right behind that. But CRSR has remained on that top 10 list. So Money doesn't wait. Let's go. So we're watching a couple of those. A lot of you guys actually came to me yesterday and you were like, I have a $30 call, for September, and the stock is falling. Why is my contract going up? Because that is some of the things that I spoke out against on TikTok and Twitter, about pumping out of the money contracts. That's kind of where that idea comes from. But in this case, when you have so much sentiment focused around a particular move, you'll end up seeing the open interest and the value of that contract move up exponentially. So those of you who were watching your contracts go up and the stock was going down, you guys got a live look at what that looks like. So, okay. So aside from that, economic calendar. Okay, so for this week we have the consumer confidence that comes out at 10 a.m. That is the only relatively high impact trading data. September 1st is where we start to see a pickup in that data, but September 2nd and 3rd is where a lot of high impact data comes in, and that's where we're really eyeballing a potential turnaround. Let's see here. What do we got going on in pre-market? Sorry, hold on one second, guys. Setting up my scanner here real quick, Yep, we're kind of hurrying up here. I'm trying not to delay any longer. I was a little bit late grinding on the NFT stuff last night, so but we're going to talk about Microsoft right now. So I was looking at Microsoft in pre-market. My price target last night was 300. We discussed how Microsoft would potentially hit that 305 mark. And then we hit 305.25 in pre-market, and then we reversed. And what I expected, didn't expect this necessarily, but what I expected is an initial pop at the open to 305. That was going to be one of the targets that I scalped on Microsoft. That play is no longer available. So what I'm going to be looking for here is I already see buyers are present at the 303 level, right? We are technically underneath, if my support is correct. Let me double check. Yeah, so what has happened here in pre-market is we have fallen below that support. Where we used it to bounce off in pre-market, we have now fallen below it. So below 303, right, we could see a pullback today to 302. Microsoft likes to move in dollar increments, so it's not unlike Microsoft to see a little bit of a pullback. But I also want you guys to know that if we get anywhere around 304.45 and recover the very same support that we lost, the play is still valid, and I will take it to the upside above pre-market highs for possible continuation. So, you got a gut put? Yeah, I was going to say, I don't play earnings very often, but I did grab a Zoom put. I did grab a Zoom put. I grabbed a Zoom put, a $300 put. And I'm going to wake up probably and just immediately take profit. No, it's another green swing. I'm not usually I tell people, do not swing earnings. I don't smoke, I don't drink, I don't go out, I don't do anything. I don't even spend money on luxury stuff. Like, I'm a pretty simple human being, and I like to play earnings here and there. So I did what I wanted to do. I set a price target. It was very calculated. I was 100% okay with losing whatever I put into it, which is within my risk, but we're still in the money. Same strike price? Okay. I think we have a couple of those of you in the Discord. Somebody's got a Zoom put. Who has Zoom? I don't think maybe they're not up. I know somebody grabbed a Zoom put. If I'm the only one in Zoom, I mean, which is probably good. We don't want you guys playing earnings, but nice, great, yeah. So that one, I'm going to go ahead and take profit at the bell. More than likely. So okay, so we got to talk about Netflix. Here's the deal. You guys can cut for a very, very minimal loss, right? This is a small account or a small contract. The value of the contract is relatively low. So what I'm going to do here is, as long as we stay above that HMA, right, right around, I would say 563.50. I think that we get one last bounce to 570. Okay, I see 1, 2. This is a rising wedge. Normally we'll see 3. So last stop, 561.50 is where we could bounce for one last retest. But I am watching. I am looking to catch the zoom bounce, scalp it around probably 569, and then take profit on that. How low do you think it can go, Akil? If I will tell you this from experience. Take the profit immediately. If you go look at Zoom, right? We entered at the bell. I imagine you did too, and the stock was trading around 350, right? 348. We have lost all of those gains, right, since the price target upgrade, and a few dollars extra. So about $50 loss on Zoom. Now, if you're out long, that's a whole different story. I don't know what your expiration is, but it is extremely highly probable that we will see a bounce, and it could be strong. In fact, I may even look at taking a $300 call, right, and catch that bounce, maybe take it up to 305. But I would highly recommend taking that profit. You're going to be up. You're going to be up a lot. So you're going to want to take that money when it's available. I may even market sell one of them and then just wait a few seconds. But I'm not even probably going to wait a few seconds. I'm probably just going to take profit. Do I think ZH will go past $10? I'd go take a peek at it in just a second. So bounced from what price? I can't be. I mean, I would say the price that it's at now at opening bell. Yeah. Okay. I'm seeing gold fall right now. Why is... Oh, Nicola's falling below $10. That's awesome. Okay, so I'm gonna do this really quick. It's 9:06. We're gonna take a look at SPY major ETFs just really quickly. I want to show you guys where we're at. 4-hour channel. So I don't think the run's done. We're gonna open up our day basically bouncing off of 450, 451, right? And I would say on the dot 450.60, those are bounce levels. SPY still has the setup to reverse on us and head up. My price target is going to be 455. 455 before the end of the week if we end up running. And I don't think that it's out of the question that we see like a moderate pullback. But I have literally seen analysts coming out saying that we're going to melt up to 500. It's really going to be SPY 5000. So, yeah, that's just what I'm doing at Keel. So, so with SPY, I wanted to hold that bullish moving average here on the 9-day moving or on the 4-hour time frame, 551 or 451. That's going to kind of be where I'm watching. You guys can see it's behind me, so I have all 4 major ETFs right here, so I'll be able to kind of take a peek. One thing that's always good is that a gap gets filled in pre-market, and so we did gap up, we filled that gap, so we're going to want to maintain this level, that the pre-market lows, and otherwise we could see a pullback, and I would say my price target is 450.50. And then as far as the Qs are concerned, same story here, y'all. I was rather surprised that we even made it this far, because I just sat there and I was trying to adjust my resistance to make sure that I wasn't off, and so I thought to myself, okay, if we're actually going to break above this channel, right, which I thought we might do for just a brief second, we ended up pulling back. So the Qs are likely going to go back to 378.50. 378.50 for the Qs. I'm using my 4-hour 9-day moving average. I'm also looking at the 476.21 for the Qs for a potential pullback. That was a previous breakout level, and more than likely now a future stop level. That's also where the 20 EMA is, and if you'll notice that we see a lot of respect when it comes to that 20 EMA. So AAPL, I believe that the first part of the day we should see just a moderate price movement in certain direction, but whenever we trade up against resistance, we do trade sideways, and this is where we have to be very careful and only select trades that have the right momentum. So just wait for Georgie to signal. I'm just kidding. Okay. It's pretty much the same story all around. IWM showing a little bit more promise, but definitely being pushed down. 224. I see a price target bounce of 224 even if we do continue to the downside, but a reversal would likely occur with a candle close above 226. So okay. Yeah. TXN? Yeah, for sure. It's in my bio, but it's Benzinga Pro. I'm using it as we speak, so. Actually, Texas Instruments still holds that inverse head and shoulders on the hourly. It's still in trend. Watch it to stay above 190.80. 190.80. If you get a bounce there, I would watch for a bounce there and a reclamation of 191.35. And then you should see, excuse me. You should see a breakout from there. Excuse me. I've told people to stay away from GSAT. If you're not in when it runs, then you need to. People chase that stock way too often for some reason. I'm not sure why. Not here in the group, but just outside of that. Maybe watch it for a bounce, but a lot of the times when it makes these big spikes, it's probably some type of insider selling. I would imagine that Microsoft could actually pop to 305. Using the very same support. So I mean, like, even if I decided I wanted to, and I could, right, if I wanted to decide to do this, and I think this is a stretch, to be honest with you, but looking at Microsoft here, let me go to the 15 minute. So I'll use the candle here. Yeah, it's kind of hard for me to change that bias, to be honest, but I could see, you know, even at a minimum of pop of 3 or 4. Here's the deal, guys. I'm pretty okay. Obviously, I'm gonna be green on Zoom. I'm pretty okay with just managing my trades and taking it really easy, guys. This is one day out of many, and I think with small accounts, you know, a lot of people show up to the table and they think, like, all right, today has to be the day that I make a bajillion bucks. Today might not offer that opportunity, and the way that the climate is set up, it may not offer that opportunity for sure. We may end up seeing, you know, a lot of chop. We may not end up seeing any moves in a particular direction. I'd like to see that. If I see that, I'll take it. But unless the signs of momentum are there, I'm going to be being very particular and not sizing in to anything heavy. I want you guys, I mean that. I really, really mean that. I will not be sizing into anything extra heavy, no 30 contract scalps. I'm staying light right now. Why? Because I've had almost almost three straight green weeks of solid gains. I think I've had one, like I lost $26. So like, I want to keep my streak going. And sometimes when you're hot, it's time to sit down and just take a look at the environment, right? Because a lot of people, when they're doing really well, is when they start making the most mistakes. So, let's see. What are you guys looking at? Yes. So we're about to go over that really quick. I am still in Lemonade. It is holding. This one is just barely holding that 20-day EMA. So I'm gonna cut it below $75. I can only imagine that this setup was looking the way that it was due to the potential for root to run. But regardless, the daily setup on Lemonade is great for me. I like it. I like the setup. But again, a relatively cheap contract, not anything crazy, probably worth cutting at our stop, which is going to be 75 for me. If you are outside of like, and here's the thing, you know, it may be even that 74.50 is where we bounce and double bottom here. So it's entirely up to you. I'll let you know when I cut. And the same thing goes for Netflix. I'm in a, like I said, relatively cheap contract. I do think that we bounce, guys. I don't think we plummet. There's no reason to plummet. There's no reason to pull back even really hard. I think that we'll pull back and then probably reverse towards the middle of the day. And then really towards the end of the week is when we'll see a pullback. That's my personal opinion. So, ZH, let's see. Zuzu. This is, I don't know what this company does, but you're in a pretty tight consolidation pattern. I'll be honest with you, I don't know what this company is, what they do, but their chart is very, very ugly, very, very choppy. You have earnings pullback. It looks like when I go down to the 5, this is algo traded. You've got algorithms trading shares back and forth at this point. So low liquidity, not good movement, bad daily chart. Probably going to be one of those stocks that is reliant more on news than technicals. Okay. I don't know what it is. You know, I can't tell you otherwise. I don't know what it is. I don't know what they do. I think looking at the chart that you're beginning some type of reversal pattern. I'm sharing this on YouTube right now, so you're welcome to go and hit the link in the bio. But good morning, everybody. GSAT, I already have leaps on GSAT, yeah. I actually see potentially more downside on Roblox. I think if we continue to pull back here, we could see 75, unfortunately. So, what's it doing in pre-market? Yeah, short below 80, but eBay. What time is it? All right, we got about 10 minutes. eBay is another one inside of this channel. I'll be honest with you, eBay is really, it is in fact at the top of this channel. So if you take a look at this this long-term channel here, I need to fix that a little bit. You'll see that eBay is pretty much at the top. I would suspect a potential pullback at maybe 78. All of your EMAs are pointing straight up. So here's the deal. You may get a pullback, and if you decide that this channel gets broken, you're going to want to break above it with vigor. You want to see good movement. So watch that one above that channel top, but my inclination usually is a reversal. So I would be watching for a reversal. NVIDIA October puts. Take a look at them. BBIG 4-hour 9-day moving average. You actually may see a bounce today. So this is your pattern setup right here. Looks like it's adjusted itself somewhat. So you could very well fall to $6 on the or $5.95 on the dot before you actually see a reversal. But I do think a reversal is not outside of the question. So I think more short to $5.50, somewhere in that range. Yeah, so BBIG, you can see kind of a falling wedge here on the hourly. This is a reversal pattern, so watch for the bounce at $6. Let's see. Wait, Faith, you didn't take Zoom? Okay. Oh man, I'm all alone. No, it's all good. It's all good. Okay, so you have to excuse me just 1 second. I'm pulling up my brokerage. That was the sound, dude, on YouTube of my brokerage just crashing. Looks like TLS is on its, or TradeStation is on its shit this morning, so we'll have to deal with. Thank you, yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw up everything that I'm watching right now today. Got Amazon. I think Apple. I told people Apple's gonna fake people out. 53, but I didn't expect this. This thing still could go rebound, bounce off of that one. It's actually at a support one. Pre-market lows is where I'd watch that one. Lemonade. Netflix. Microsoft. Microsoft about 304.61. All right, it's 9:23. Any of you guys in the Discord watching anything you want me to take a look at? A cup on 1 minute chart. Yeah, I'm not. Oh, that's right. You know what? I think over Apple, I'm gonna pick Zoom. So I'm in the money on. I have a $300 put. I wish it would just stay down just a few minutes longer. That'd be super. Although I don't know why I should be greedy, but I think we'll bounce back, guys. I'm not taking stuff short. There's no reason to fall. I did cover lemonade. Basically, I'll let you guys know when I cut that. Good morning. We got a few minutes.
She's done up.
Hi. You look. Oh, you're
She's showing
flowers. You look so cool. Come here. Yeah. Look, there's a baby in the sun. Look at that. Do you see it? Oh gosh.
Where's baby though?
Baby? The baby's right there. You see it?
Baby.
All right. Thanks for coming to see me. High five. You gonna go eat?
Baby.
Yes.
Yeah.
Where baby though?
Right there. There's the baby. All right. We got
Let's
5
go
minutes. Big kiss. Big hug. Mwah.
Baby though.
Yep.
Here, I'll show you, baby. Come
What is baby?
All right, baby. I love you.
Dad.
Hey, what do you think? Are we gonna have a bull day or a bear day? Bear or bull?
Bear.
Bear. High five. Yes. All right.
Mommy, baby, mommy.
on. Yeah.
She seemed hesitant, so I think we reversed towards the end of the day. You're having a daughter too? Congratulations, man. That's awesome, A&F. Congrats, man. It's my favorite thing, period. So Amazon, all right, we got 5 minutes here. I think Amazon has a great setup. I think you need to be very careful about the top, but we have a massive gap to fill. Microsoft is already broken my target for a potential reversal, so we're already seeing the result of this. You'll have to excuse me, but I'm probably going to yell about Zoom, so just bear with me on that one. I'm going to be up, so pretty stoked. All right, so let's go ahead and where's my Benzinga Pro here? There we go. Oh no, let me pop out the chat. Thanks, guys. All right. Sorry, just making sure. All right, so let's do this. Got 4 more minutes here. FYI, guys, I'm not trading long today. I'm letting you guys know this is not the time in which if I was just trading by myself that I would be trading, right? Like I would probably hop on and hop off. So I'm gonna, in order to show you guys what I would do, right, in the situation, unless the market turns around and we get the juice, I'm just gonna go ahead and take money where it's available and leave it at that. So first hour, 10 o'clock, and after that, if we're not making any moves, I'm out. I'm out, guys, and we have to have that discipline going forward because we are in that part of the market where like things are pretty sketch. So QCOM, take a look at QCOM here running. All right, we got a few minutes here. Where's my new highs? All right. All right, let's see here. Netflix bouncing back up for us. Okay. Guys, 570 is the target for Netflix. Resistance is right around there, so Lemonade really has probably the least likely setup, to be honest with you. Lemonade's setup is getting weaker. I'm not super big fan of what's happening in pre-market right now, so. We'll see what we get. QCOM just had a very unusual pop here at the bell, guys. I'm kind of curious to why that happened. I may be watching QCOM today. Yeah, okay, I see what happens here. 4-hour break and downtrend. Oh yeah, okay, QCOM on watch to potentially move up to 149, even 150 today. All right, 1 minute. Hands on the triggers. Let's get ready to go. I'm taking profit on Zoom. Yes, I am absolutely. In fact, hold on a second. Where the hell? Oh shit. All right, I gotta get off. I'm here. I'm on YouTube live right now. If you guys are looking to tune in, bye. I gotta go. Not. Bye. Okay, I gotta. Hey, good morning. What's up? Sorry, my brokerage on my is not logging in. So, this space new high. All right, we're on live here in a few seconds, and let's do it. Okay,
let's go.
Let's do it. All right. Oh my god. Oh my god, dude. Zoom. Yo, go look at the $300 puts, dude. Oh my god. I told you I was gonna yell. I'm out. I just turned 115 bucks into $1,100.
Nice, bro. What? It was 150 into 1,100?
Yeah.
Sweet.
Holy shit. Shit. Yeah, I bought that one for $100. Wow. That's a whole day's work. Hot damn. Alright, so Netflix right here. I told you guys I'm looking for the support bounce. 561. And I'm probably going to look for the bounce, take it to 570. So I'm willing to be patient on this one.
Ooh, AMC, bro. AMC.
Okay, so that means memes. So AMC, GameStop. Not GameStop hasn't ripped yet, but AMC is already showing the juice. Okay, coming out of that reversal pattern, I could. It really just needs to. I would take a $48 call. In this case, if I was going to
Where is
play
moving
that.
to?
Yeah, Square is moving.
Yeah. Let's see. PA.
Okay, GameStop's
Firm
moving.
place coming down. I'm gonna go ahead and take profits.
Oh my god, what happened to Stone Co? Oh, not good on earnings, yeah? Okay. Shit. Bye. Alright, Lemonade is not doing anything, guys. Just a single solitary dingus right here. Nothing crazy. Alright, let's get, I'm gonna be kind of yelling out some tickers, guys, that I see moving up. YVR just popped up on my scanner. Nothing happening there. RPHM. Reno Pharmaceuticals. That actually looks like it does have some movement behind it. I just got an alert on Sava. Sava? What's happening, Sava? They didn't beat the FUD. They're going down, yeah? Or are they popping? Oh, we called it.
Right now.
That was money. So remind me, guys, to give you guys a breakdown on why Sava did what it just did. And it's likely going to go tap 59.50 at the most, maybe 58.85, and then reject. And it might go for low of day at 48, or not low of day, but that low. All right, Nvidia, or excuse me, Lemonade is getting to the cut part of the journey. So, also TradeStation put my funds back in my account. Hoorah! Thank you. All right. Reno Pharmaceuticals. I don't know why they're running. Netflix is still holding. Nice bounce, honestly. Is anybody still in Netflix with me? I'm not even watching PayPal, damn it.
I'm trying to get it right.
Oh my god, it's still going. Damn. See, that's one where I would grab a 300 for next week if I really wanted to take that play. I really think that what they're doing is going to be huge because that will allow them to make money even throughout the pandemic. So, or even throughout like times of like financial woes or whatever. So, look at that contract volume dropping. I haven't taken anything. Oof, that's a bad pullback. Someone just bought that and reversed.
BA's looking pretty strong.
I'm going to turn on my option activity and see what happens, what we got coming in. Apple 145. I'm going to start reading these out for you guys. BA, actually, 225.50 Friday calls. 200 of those contracts. NVIDIA, 225 calls Friday. So I think people are waiting for the bounce here. They're expecting the bounce. Okay, PayPal got a bounce. I'm going to take PayPal, I think. Yeah, I think I'm going to take a contract on PayPal. I'm looking at the 295, but I haven't. I'll let you guys know. NVIDIA, wow. NVIDIA, all right. Twitter. Why is okay? Twitter 4-hour time frame. Okay, so you're moving from that downtrend. That's not a price action for me. NEM. Damn. Yeah, they're dropping stuff on people hard right now.
Airbnb's waking up.
Y'all have my stop loss on Netflix. SQ calls coming in. SQ Friday 280 calls coming in.
Oh, BA moving.
They just bought the dip on that one. What is that stock? Newmont? NEM? Space? Oh my god, Space. Hey, look at Space. That's the ripper right now for some reason. What's going on? I need to look up the news.
Oh yeah.
They got a buy upgrade to $30. How about that? The volume is pretty high. I'm waiting for the bounces, y'all. I'll wait. I'm gonna just chill. PDD. Yep, I see that one as well. Pinduo is up against that top resistance. It's already rejected just a little bit. You're going to want to see 101. All right, PayPal. Yikes. Going back down to 285. What are you doing? I haven't taken any play on that one. AMC is still moving. Yeah, AMC looks like it could go to the moon or something.
Sava's still going.
Down or up?
Up,
Oh,
I'm
yeah.
waiting for it to break those previous highs pre-market.
Let me send you this chart and just tell me what you think. So this is actually a standard deviation channel on a lower time frame, which you usually don't have.
What are you looking at?
I'm sending you it in live chat. Oh god, what is Roku doing? AMC is popping hard. Kind of regretting. Oh wow, Roku, nice pop. Yeah, look at what it did the other day, y'all. It popped like that, and then it reversed right at 360. So,
Sava?
Oh yeah. So Sava needs to get above that trend line. Like I have it at 60 basically, like 60 and 63. But with Sava, if it moves, dude, it could go all the way back up to 87 with a quickness. So
Right.
what's Roku's setup on the hourly? A hot crock of garbage. It could shoot up 363. mRNA. Didn't they have all that FUD? Yeah, I'm not. Cody. Oops. Fuck. Look at it go. Okay. Watching Cody and Skin. I'm back on my Skin shit. That's weird. Just sounds so awful. Are you in AMC by chance?
I'm not.
No? Okay. J Mia, October 1st, $20 puts. Oh, get out of here. Spy, November 14th, 485 puts. Microsoft, Friday, 305 sweep. Okay. This seems like a really good day to wait 30 minutes, 20 minutes, somewhere in there, just to get a good direction. If you're in Roku, or excuse me, if you're in AMC, nice. What is Zev? Someone just bought puts on it immediately. Oh my god. Yo, Zev. What'd they do? I'm gonna Google them. Or not Google, to see what news they have. Oh, wow. Rev Group's call and bus enter multi-year agreement with Lightning E-Motors for electric school buses. No shit. Okay. Big. That's big shit right there. That's cool. It's a little bit late, but maybe we catch it on a pullback. Diz above 181, yeah. All right, so what's AMC doing? Holding. Not a lot of volume yet. Let's see. Okay, the volume is really high, or at least for these first two 5-minute candles. Baba. Russell looks like it's spiking a little bit. Yeah, you guys, if you guys like Baba, that's all good. I think AMC is probably a better setup right now. Unfortunately.
DK&G is moving up.
Clove is moving up. So we're getting a little squeeze, guys. So watch support. That one looks like garbage as well. AMC. A lot of high frequency trading here happening on AMC. I'm gonna look at AMC's chain really quick. Also, small accounts. I am watching for a small account play today, so. Excuse me. Upstart. Damn. MU moved. AMD. Nope. You see anything holding, moving?
Airbnb looks decent.
I'm not. Oh, you know what? Actually, yeah, that does look pretty good. hold on, let me see what we're breaking down trend.
I haven't entered anything yet for today. I
Yeah.
still got my firm swings.
Yeah, I'm looking at the dip buy here on AMD maybe. Nope, we still got one
Western, excuse me, WDC is moving.
Okay.
Damn, sorry, guys. Throat's all fucked up.
I'm fighting something right now. Just the start of it.
Yeah.
It hit me last night. Yeah, my daughter was coughing, and then she got better, and then she kindly passed it over to me to, finish it off, I guess.
Mm. MU.
Are you serious? They were 800, but over 4,000 at the open. Holy shit, Austin! Yeah, dude, what a great play! Amazing. Yeah, You took a better play than I did, because I was risking. That was risky. Netflix.
Yeah, Netflix bounce.
That's exactly what we're waiting for. Beautiful. All right, let's focus here. I think I might be able to take this one. 570. Which doesn't give you a lot of room if you're not scalping, so. It'd be cool if we could catch, like, a Sava after their news FUD goes away. You know what I mean? Just a big green cucumber would be sick.
Oh, Lending Club, LC. Damn. Yeah, Lending Club.
That's funny you just said that. I just saw option flow coming in for Lending Club. That was one of my favorite stocks. I actually own equity in Lending Club. Yeah, I bought that after earnings. Remember it ripped on earnings, and I was like, I'm getting in. You may not have been on, but
yeah,
I bought some Lending Club after hours. Been holding on to it. APPS. I'm just trying to find momentum. If you guys are wondering, right now I'm staring at Benzinga Pro, just trying to find where the juice is. Oh, that juice is gone. Do you watch Digital Turbine above, or APPS above $60? Yep. I mean, that thing's already pushed, but... Alright, D-Dog, I see you. PLTR just made a new high. Datadog could absolutely give us a big green dingus here. Let's go. Sorry for my terminology, guys. Yo, look at Upstart. I figured out the trick with Upstart. If it doesn't go down more than, like, if it hits, yeah, it's gonna go up. It's gonna shoot up. Like it actually may shoot. It may do something crazy here. Go look at the daily. If we can clear that previous high of 228, I think we hit 230. Tesla, okay. All right, yeah, definitely worth watching. Netflix is 567.16. Once we hit that, we should move to the upside. Disney to the downside. Jeez. Chewy, new high. I'm gonna turn on my squawk box. What? There's an app in China called Newborn Town. That's weird sounding. Fubo wins online betting approval in Iowa.
Ooh.
Yeah, came out a few minutes ago. That came out, yeah, just a few minutes ago. Splunk is moving. Regeneron.
Corsair is bouncing.
That's good. We should watch that one. The volume on that one's going to be really, really high. Yeah, look at Corsair, dude. Damn.
Coming up at 10, CB consumer confidence for August.
Yeah, big volume on Corsair.
Oh, that's right. We coming up consumer confidence. Maybe we hit a little bit of a stride after that. No, I haven't entered anything. Chilling right now. Just watching. There's a lot of stocks making new lows though. My low day scanner's going bananas right now. Space is still going. I just haven't seen the right play for me. God damn, Space. What the fuck? That would have been the right play for me. You know, I wasn't expecting... Space just turns around so fast, dude. So fast. Okay, so the whole ribbon indicator... I guess we didn't go and fill that gap. We projected it. What are you thinking of on Corsair, bud?
Corsair, yeah, it looks good. Are you gonna get in some right now?
Oh,
I'm looking at Upstart too.
Is anybody calling me from El Segundo, California right now?
No. Viacom looking good.
Hello? Oh, suspicious activities. I'll take it. I'll sign me up. Bye. Okay. Let's try this again. You just interrupt me. Spam. Twitter has just been consistently making new highs.
Michael, what were you asking about? Going long on Corsair?
Yeah, I'm looking at Corsair's contracts right now. CRSR, 3250s obviously seem like the most logical strike with the price range given.
Mm-hmm.
And those are at 178. I almost prefer, because here's the thing, this is being not squeezed, it's being pushed. And it has excellent volume right now. The volume is dying off, so I'll give it a few. I'll watch it as it attempts this wick fill, and if it takes the wick fill because the contracts have time, I'll buy them. But I'll miss a few cents price action if I have to in order to make sure that I don't get caught.
Right.
Baba, you guys are all over the Baba stuff. I'm a Baba hater. You guys can't catch me in Baba. Unless I'm shorting it.
Caterpillar looks like it's going down. Fubo waking up. Oh, Fubo.
Yo, Roblox has a massive, if Roblox rejects 82 or 83 right here, look at Roblox. Pre-market highs 83.63. Yo, that bus, that was hilarious. Did you hear that, Peyton? That bus's horn says mama. That was hilarious.
I grabbed a 30 call on Fubo for next 17th of September for $1.18.
I think I got a play. I think I got a day trade.
Yeah.
All right. Ooh, chewy. Inverse Head and Shoulders, 15-minute time frame. I'll send this in to you guys. I've been seeing flow for it, and that gives me confidence. What do I think of APPS? $70. It has to get past the 60/50s. It's still well within this channel. I think I showed you guys this channel, but I'll show it to you guys again. So I'm chilling, guys. I know I'm usually at the bell like wheeling and dealing, but like I just turned $100 into 1,000, and I'm doing it in the climate right now with the market. So I'm just waiting. I want the perfect play. I want a great setup. I like chewy. That's the kind of setup that I want to see. I want to get good. I want to see good volume right at the open. That's what I'm seeing so far. Obviously, sentiment is. I don't know of any negative sentiment. Ooh, okay. So not only that, we are currently right. We have a channel support. So I'm going to show you guys this setup. Not only is it an inverse head and shoulders, but it also makes this wedge-like pattern. So I think right now, guys, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead, and those are very expensive for, I guess it's Tuesday. I'm tripping.
TTMP, Titan Medical, granted U.S.
TTMP,
patent.
TTMP,
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 a master slave robotic
TTMP.
system. That's Tango, November Papa.
No, oh, TTNP. Watch TTNP.
Leads is moving up.
Yo, that's
Also,
the best butter.
LEDS. I think they don't have options. I think Leads is only equity.
Yo, APPS is gassing, as you say. Yeah, dude, its volume is how's that even possible? How's that even possible?
Oh yeah. Yeah. I like that. That's a nice move.
Yeah, let me get a pullback and I'll take it.
The gap up in pre.
Yeah. Guys,
Continuation.
set an alert on Chewy at 9120 or 9135. Digital turbine, $60. Let's get it. Let's push through it, and I'll take that play because it could be a good long. Why am I not getting? Hedging XLF swing with weekly puts that are moving nice, considering flipping the script. Thoughts on bank sectors right now? Great job, dude. I'm hella proud of you right now for doing that. Oh, did you take APPS? Y'all just out there slinging stuff right now. Did you just take that? Snee? Okay, good. Okay, I was like, I hope. I think I was like, that looks good, and then cool. I'm glad you have a position already. So let's go look at
TBLT, Tough Build Industries, granted U.S. patent, extendable
Robo
grade
holding
rod
out.
receiver. That's Tango Bravo Lima Tango.
TBLT, Tough Built Industries. Hold on a second. I got the news before I got the article, so the article hasn't come out. Hold on a second. I only heard it. What? Kodak is what? Kodak granted U.S. patent. Oh God. Whew. Glad I didn't take Chewy right there. That was a nasty
Coming up
move.
at 10, CB Consumer Confidence for August, 124 expected.
124 expected on CB consumer confidence here.
Lyft is moving. Uber is selling off a little bit.
What a good day to sit on cash, guys. I mean, I know it's weird to say, but like, I'm just not seeing anything like going, you know? Like, it's a good day to like not have to like stress about a position at the moment. Just kind of want to short Microsoft, but what are the Qs doing here? See, the Qs look like they have more room to the downside. So you know what? We know how. No, man. We know how. Yeah, we know how Microsoft moves. There's no reason why it's gonna end up like plummeting. 302. Okay, so Chewy broke support, y'all. I was looking at Holt taking that if it ended up moving past 91. TNP, Titan Pharmaceuticals, just popped. Hey, everyone, I'm going to buy some of this TTNP. TTNP. My fill is going to be 221. TTNP, 221. Legging in. This is on patent news with the FDA.
That was the electric school bus stop?
No, that's Zev. Zev. Yeah, they got shorted. I had a feeling this is that they're EV, so they're gonna get yanked. Yo, Chewy, holy reversal, y'all. Wow.
Yeah, Chewy, Roku.
Okay, so now
Dash.
So now Chewy goes
reverse.
back to 88.75.
Square coming down. Baba flips.
ETMP, Titan Pharma.
Yeah, Baba
shares
flip,
icon
whoa.
Here at Patent News. That's Tango Tango November.
Anybody
Papa.
grabbing TTNP with me? TTNP?
Hold on. TTMP.
Conference
Why don't
Board
I see it?
Consumer
TTNP?
Confidence, 113.8.
TTNP, Titan Pharmaceuticals.
TTNP.
Oh my god, they have options.
Consensus was for 124.
Alright,
Can I get-
I'll grab
I'm gonna grab
like 100 shares.
I'm gonna grab 2.5 call.
Yeah.
I'm gonna options addict.
Yeah, this is cheap.
ZBH, Zimmer Biomed announcing new data supporting clinical benefits of My Mobility with Apple Watch. That's ZBH,
ZBH.
AAPL,
They just released.
Lula Bravo Hotel.
I'll add some shares to TTMP here. Yay! All right, TTMP. Anybody in? You grabbed 100 TTMP. Been in TTMP for about 10 minutes now. Man, get out of here. I'll just give the chat to Opticy. For September, and my cost is 25. So, but I already bought shares. TTMP. I think this one might
You
actually
trying
see
to
some
grab that
juice.
2.5 call?
Yeah, I already got it. Yeah, I already got
I
it.
can't. I tried to grab that. I can't get filled.
Just fill the ask. It
No,
won't
I
fill-
was trying to market fill.
Oh, weird. I don't do that. I just hit the ask. It'll fill you.
Let's see.
Microsoft, yeah, that's going down here, but is it worth playing? That's the question. 302.50. Kind of want to take it short. The Qs look like they're going to continue to move down here today. I don't know, dude. I see more red potentially. Consumer confidence just came out and we didn't move. Oh, since I said it? Damn, dude, y'all quick. If you took that, wow. Snow is moving. Snow. Hold on, snow.
Vonage, VG, Big Pop.
No way, Vonage? Isn't that like the old phone
Yeah.
company?
Hold on, you said news.
Yo, look at Snow, 303.10. Hold on, what's happening here? What's massive inverse head and shoulders on Snow? Not massive. 5-minute inverse head and shoulders on Snow. 305. I'm gonna take a 3. I think I'm gonna take a 305 here. But Snow runs with the Qs. I don't want to get reversed on, but it does look like we're bouncing. Is that Snow play a
Bloomberg
scalp?
reporting
Yes.
Janet said to push Vonage VG to
Oh.
sell or break up. That's Victor Golf.
Oh, they're pushing Vonage to break up. Hold on.
Yeah, is that what it is?
Yeah.
VG and
Hold on.
Jana, pushing Jana sale.
I'm sorry. I was just trying to get more specific with that news. Oh wow, AmeriSave mortgage
Vonage spiking to $14.94
to
at
push
the
up or
high.
sell or break up. Jana Partners is said to
Shares
push
up at about 6% now for Victor Golf. Again, Bloomberg reporting that Jana is set to push Vonage to sell or break up the company. Victor
Damn.
Golf.
Damn. Yo, get out of here. Yeah, I'm waiting for snow right here. I'm gonna wait for this. I'm watching the 5-minute candle. Look at the volume. Look at the volume on snow. Holy shit. Wow. I'll let you guys know, those of you who are on YouTube, I've been giving you my live thoughts as I don't like, there's not much of a filter between what I'm thinking and what I'm saying. So like as soon as like I see something, I'm going to be weighing the options. I haven't gotten into Chewy. I never got into Chewy, right? It looked good. It had an inverse head and shoulders. It looked good. I set a trigger point. It never hit. It reversed. I left it alone. And now that I'm looking at it, I'd rather take it for a bounce. With Snowflake, I want it to go ahead and show me a candle close above this mark. If it doesn't, I'm not going to take it, because what I want to do is take the 310 calls on a break out, not just a accumulation, as the cues are bouncing but not showing any real strength. What's going on with Snap? I don't know, but it'd be super sick if Titan Pharmaceuticals just rip. It's showing a little bit of relative strength. I should have took Chewy short. That's really what I should have done. And you know what? Chewy would go to 88.35. That's not enough for me.
Caterpillar short. Could he still go play?
Oh, yes, yes. The trigger point there is 210. 210, below 210, I'll take it with you. Let me
know if you get in.
Yeah. You know what? I'm gonna go ahead and grab one. Let's see. Are you ready? This is a sketchy entry because at 210.50, you could get a bounce. So I would take it either below 210.50. But you'll miss that contract. But I think it's worth it to probably wait just a second, because you could very easily just double bottom right there, and that would suck. Anybody on TTNP? Right when I said TTNP, it was at $2.15, and I looked away, and it was at $2 where it's at now. So. W day. Workday. Oh, hey, look, Workday. Titan Pharmaceuticals moving up here. Yeah, I'll watch Cat with you. Snow is holding up, so maybe it's waiting for the market to bounce.
White House says President Biden now to speak on Afghanistan at 2:45 p.m. Eastern Time.
White House to speak at 2:45 Eastern Time on Afghanistan.
WDC looks pretty good right now. Upside, Western Digital Corporation.
Titan Pharmaceuticals getting a little short here. Probably searching for. Looks like a stop loss hunting candle here. They're gonna go raid people before they takes off. Snap is showing.
Looks pretty good too. Okay.
Oh no, you're fine. MRIN. Snap is actually looking like it might go for a breakout, y'all. I'll be honest with you. It's above 75. Yep, it's gonna go, guys. So if you guys are... Remember what we talked about last night? This probably means that snow is gonna pop here, too. Let's see, what are the Qs doing? Yeah, Qs are going to retest their 20.
GS and SCHW, Bloomberg reporting that
You just
Goldman
entered
Sachs has
your
hired
market on
Schwab's
with
digital
Cape
advice
Stone.
head, Cynthia Lowe.
Okay.
That's from
Who is it?
Bloomberg. That's Golf Sandy and Andy Charlie Hotel Whiskey.
Yeah, look at that wick on Cat. Glad I waited just a second. So it tapped the 210.40, 210.50. That's where we need to break. All right, just chilling, guys. Yeah.
Yeah, me too.
Everything. I'm like I said, dude. I'm.
What about take a look at Dash? Maybe Dash short.
MRIN. Spiking. Wow, DoorDash with a big bounce. there, though.
ULGN, Qualigen, Zach Small Cap Research,
Qualigen.
out with a
Excuse me.
$9 valuation.
Quality.
Did grab a.
Yo, Qualigen. Hey, buy Qualigen at 140. Hold on. They just got a $9 price target there at a dot. QLGN in at. Yeah, don't full size on this. Oh shit. I'm motherfucking running though. QLGN.
Spiking here at $1.45, the high, Quebec Lima Golf, November.
All leg in. Almost bought 500 or 5,000 shares. Oops. Alright, I am gonna have to fill market. They're not gonna take that. It's moving too fast. I'm in. 156. Damn it. That's a bad
Coming up
fit.
at 10:30, Dow's Fed Services revenues and Texas Services sector outlook for August.
QLGN.
What was the price target raised by?
$9. Oh, I didn't see. Sorry. It just came in on the squawk. They have calls. Yo, October $5 calls.
DAL, Delta Airlines, says as part of push.
Yeah, I'm gonna grab October 15th
flight
$5
attendants,
call.
All new hires must be
For
fully
$5.
vaccinated for COVID-19. That's Delta Alpha Lima.
QLG, huh?
Yeah. Just adding that to my share position. Nice.
Sure.
Okay. And this will likely be a hold, right? Because when you get price target upgrades, they'll mess around a little bit, so. Nice. Okay, cool. Got that on some news. Good. I am still in TTNP. This is a FDA approval. I imagine within the next couple days we'll continue to move to the upside. Yo, snowflakes looking to the downside now, man. How's that? Do we go and head to our shoulder? 295. I don't know. We'll leave it where it's at right now. Yo, I'm up 150% on that $5 call. People are gonna start buying it. Yeah.
Grabbed one too.
Yeah, people are gonna start. Yeah. I may have bought a. I don't know if you guys got it first, but Who in here went full size? There you go. QLGN. Woo! Let's go.
Yeah.
That's why we get the
I
news
grabbed
first.
both. I grabbed
I'm in
shares
shares
and I also
and
grabbed
yep.
the 5.
Ooh. Yikes. Let's go. Trigger flow on us, huh? CMSA. Yeah, that one has been running. I've seen it. I've there's sometimes, guys, there's always going to be something running, and you're probably not always going to be able to catch it, you know.
I just know oh, see. NVAX ran a lot today. I didn't catch it, but
CGRN.
CNB.
Hey, Capstone Green Energy Corporation is presenting a pretty interesting setup here. Kind of interesting, that one. Okay.
Walgreens and CVS are both up a lot today. Walgreens up 2, CVS up 2.
They're going to be doing COVID vaccinations, so I think that's one of the things that's causing them to run a little bit. Could be wrong. WBA. Oh my God! What a.
You saw both of them today?
Oh my God, dude! How did we miss this? How did I miss
I
that?
know, right?
Damn.
I was looking at CVS yesterday too.
Oh, I mean, if you look at the daily, it's got a cup and handle on that lower time frame. Dude, I think Qualigen might actually sit here and run for a little bit. Delta variant cited as U.S. consumer confidence sinks to a 6-month low. Oh my God, a 400% play on QLGN, dude. What the fuck? Damn. Damn. Takes profit on that. I'm gonna leave
grab like
1,000. Yeah, right. That's alright. Yeah, don't stress about TTMP, guys. It should go up. Give it a couple days. I think I'm gonna end up swinging. Oh, I just saw that. No, dude, I had a feeling. Last night. It's in this bilateral pattern. I'm telling you guys, above 181, and I think we go see 185 with a quickness. DATS, yo, if you guys have been holding DATS with Atlas, this has been almost 2 weeks of straight gains on DATS.
EIS, Disney Star Plus streaming service launches in Latin America. Delta India Sandy.
They just started streaming. Disney stream. Yeah, do you see how they released that article? It's so funny. They just started streaming in Latin America. 181.50, guys. Or 181.40 here. I'll take a 185 strike for one next week, potentially. Yeah, we might get a wick down here on QLGN if it doesn't make a new high. There it is, actually. Dude, 400% play. Whoa, wow. Okay. Walgreens shouldering load as Dow Industrials turn positive. Okay, that means that's Disney too. Can Disney make a fucking $4 move in a day? I think so. Oh, I keep hitting Disney X. Is that like a cryptocurrency? How heavy did you guys go in a QLGN? Your boy's still holding. Okay, so I'm honestly gonna grab a 185 for Disney right now. That's 61. I'm gonna wait for it to pull back off this high, and then I'm gonna enter. Qualigen, great job. I'm waiting for it right here. Just give me a second. I'm looking for an entry. Pull back to 180, 82. You're welcome to go outside of the money. You don't have to go at the same strike as I do.
Oh, Tesla right now. 2 big green candles. What's going on with Tesla? That must be news. Maybe not.
Support. Support bounce. Yeah, I'm light in those, so I'm okay with TTMP. Like I said, TTMP is gonna, when they have news like that, it's gonna take a minute. Yeah, Disney will probably end up being a day trade / scalp. So, Collagen's probably gonna go search for your stop losses here. So, in the next few minutes, I think. Alright, so far we're riding the 9 here. I'll let you guys know when I enter. You know what? Tesla. I actually think Tesla has the juice. Damn, that's expensive. I think it goes to 750 today. Glad I didn't try and short. Oh, Microsoft. Now it looks like a good short potentially. Hey. Alright, slow down here. Microsoft short. Yeah, that was my price target last week for Tesla. Alright, Disney bounced off the 20 just like we thought. We need to get it above 181 again. Alright, pull back on Qualigen. Enter Diz at 0.30. What contract? Yeah, honestly, 302.50 puts for Microsoft are about 164 bucks right now. But it's the Qs that don't like. Verizon launches on-premises private edge compute solution with Microsoft. Nope, Disney didn't have enough. September 3rd. Okay. I'd like to see a rebound here on Disney for sure before I take it. But. Tesla CC2. Oh, they're in India awaiting installation. Tesla Club India tweets breaking Tesla CC superchargers are now in India. I wonder if that news is going to spike up Microsoft
TSLA
here.
Tesla popping here. Tango Sandy Lima Alpha.
750
Tesla.
coming on Tesla, guys. I think a good target
736.19.
for today is 741. 741. Your entry's coming now if you're going to take Tesla.
Pan Daily reported Tesla seeking partner for 4680 cylindrical cells in China. That's Tango Sandy Lima Alpha.
Tesla seeks partner for 46080 cylindrical cells in China.
Hey guys, how are you?
Yeah, so dirty.
Good.
Alright, pulling back on Disney. Are we flagging? Flagging. Okay. Back to the 5 minute. What you watching today, Georgie?
Nothing, just watching kids that I went on Disney.
Huh?
That's doing well.
Nice. Did you buy a little bit of QLGN?
Yes.
Nice. Holding that one with you. Okay, Disney bounce. Disney bounce. Hold on a second. Look at Microsoft. Showing a little bit of resilience here. Roku. What about it? Are you in Roku? It's extremely heavily consolidated. Like, really tight on that, on that resistance. Tesla calls. I think it goes to 740. Even AMC is struggling this morning. I'm about to call it and come back. Crypto Phantom rises more than FT.T. Oh, Jesus.
FTM.
Who?
FTM.
Yeah. That's crazy. That ripped.
The guy from Dubai is down.
Dubai?
Yeah.
Oh. Piton is bouncing. Let's see. Oh, Piton has a little reversal pattern here.
Yes,
Sava. Sava.
Yeah, Sava's moving.
NIO, NEO share is getting a pop here, seeing some call activity in NEO weekly 38 calls
$38 calls coming in
on
on
November
Neo.
India Oscar.
But I'm not taking that. Sava could go to 63 bucks. How much are their options? Are they extremely expensive? Oh my god.
Sava, yeah. If you go out like kind of far out the money, you could probably catch something though.
Yeah. Starbucks.
You watch RGC.
Okay, watch Disney here. Oh my god, Starbucks. Yo, Starbucks support. Oh, whoa, hold on. Yeah, that one's going to 120. Hold on a second. I'm gonna take a 118 here in a minute. Hold on a second. Starbucks has got some juice. Coffee. Alright guys, I'm gonna be looking to average down on Qualigen here relatively soon. I'll let you guys know what I do with that one. Alright, Disney, what are you doing? This price action today is already really annoying. Damn, dude. I think they're gonna tank Disney back down to 180. Yeah.
Yeah, I just found under the kitchen sink.
Oh no shit, really?
Yep, 2 of them.
Perfect.
Yep.
Oh shit, I can throw them in the bathroom if you need to.
Bathroom.
Alright, I can give it
Yeah,
to him.
you right. Andy.
Dallas Fed,
I'll leave
Turks,
this stuff.
Texas Service Sector Index of General Business Activity outlook 5.4 in August versus 33.3 in July.
What you watching?
Yeah.
Texas
Right now I'm
Services
watching
Sector Revenue
Sava,
Index 16.5 in August versus
apps,
21.7
base.
in July.
Lending Club, QLGN, Tesla, CVS. I'm looking at the chain on Sava. I'm trying to see if I can sneak a little play here.
Oh my god, my brain is weird. You just said Sava and I went to go type Starbucks and I still wrote Sava.
I do that sometimes too. So
Feels like leaving the toilet seat when you're going to sit down. Just fall right through.
damn, this contract is super expensive.
I'm grabbing a 118 call on Starbucks for this week. If you want to go September 17th, you could do maybe a 120. Because this actually is coming off of a pretty nice bounce of support. And the thing is, yeah, it's out of that. It's climbing out of the supply. So, or this demand zone. So I really think that, what's the IO on that?
Bro, these contracts on Sava are stupid expensive.
I know, bro. I was almost gonna grab one, and I was like, "Yeah, that'll be lucrative." Nope.
Because I've I've played this before and I've gone like way out of the money and gotten a nice gainer, but like I'm looking at like even the 80 calls for September 17th are like fucking 500 bucks.
Hey y'all, I just took a Starbucks 120 call September 17th. I'm typing it in right now. I'm up $1. Don't talk to me. No, that's not right. I got filled at 69. Wow, Sava. If we would have taken it right at that mark, dude, literally right at that yellow line, and now it's going to 63. Oh well, you live and you miss a player here and there. I'm looking to average down at 147 on QLGN, guys. I'm gonna grab another leap. That was sick though. You guys literally took options and had a 400% play in like minutes. That was awesome. Tesla to go for high of day right here, 740. I think underneath. Yeah, I'm gonna leave it at that. APPS still going. Wow. Yo, Tesla? Anybody in Tesla? Yeah, Snap is gonna go, we talked about this last night, 78.50. So if you guys took that to the upside, righteous. Alright, I'm gonna start buying QLGN here again, guys. QLGN. Just a little bit here. Buy a little bit more.
SNAP, Snap popping to the high, 76.42.
Snap going.
Son of a bitch.
Hearing a trader, Mark Minervini, buying the stock, or mentioning the stock
Snap's going.
as a
Big
buy.
volume.
Standing November Alpha Papa.
I'll take a Snap. I don't like that. I would take a 80 and take profit at 70, 78. Let me see something here. Yeah, don't be careful on that one. But yeah, if you guys took that, nice move.
I gotta hop off for a second. I'll be right back.
All right, brother. Almost want to grab a December 17th 7.5 call on QLGN, but I'm alright. Buy the dip. Alright, got one more. I'm good on everything, guys. I'm just sitting in Starbucks. I got the 120 call. I got QLGN. Yeah, I'm just gonna let it ride right now.
Oh, sorry.
Who?
Messes.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. He needs some milk. Ooh, rounded top. What do you think? 20 back down to 21.25.
Could be.
Chinese listings to be focus of House panel hearing on September 22nd. That's from Bloomberg.
September 22nd, Chinese stocks are to be the focus of a meeting at the White House. Democratic meeting. Yes, I did add more shares to QLGN. Did you guys see that ad right there? We just heaped that up. Hopefully we get one more downtick. Macy's actually looks good on his call. I think I'll take a $22 put for this week. I'm not going heavy in any single thing. Just reiterating that for everybody.
Did anyone thank me or by any chance?
I did not know. QLGN. Nice pop, baby. Look at NVIDIA. Sorry about that, guys. Yo, Tesla. You guys were waiting patiently for Tesla. Great job. There's your move. Robert D, send me your screen name, please. Send me your screen name as soon as possible. DM me. Yeah, I just took Macy's. I just took Macy's $22 put for this week. I'm gonna take profit on those probably at 21.50 and 21.25 if we end up breaking this low. The only thing I see that wouldn't be in our favor is if something like this played out, right? So if we ended up having like a little channel top, but I suspect that we'll make our way down there. So. Oh, I see you. Okay. Patience is the name of the game today.
AFRM Affirm Holdings, the September $100 call sweep, Alpha Foxtrot Romeo Michael.
Yeah, okay, so if we bounce, if we don't break 22 on Macy's, I'll go ahead and I'll get out. It looks like it's making a rounded top, that's why I like this play, but it also could create, I doubt it, but it could create a reversal pattern if it bounces at 22 bucks, so. Volume on Netflix or on Starbucks is good. I see your chart there on the video. I see your broken downtrend. So pretty much above VWAP 223.15. I'd take it for a pop to 224.50. What the hell? I didn't play space today, no. Alright, I'm not liking Macy's bounce there. It needs to reject the 9-day moving average and stay below 2232. Space looks like it's getting heavy. Pull back to 2626. Don't get too comfortable in space right now. Volt. Yeah. Baba 170 calls. Oh. Yeah, $30 price target, but just be careful whenever they give price targets, that'll inflate the price and then you'll end up reversing. Oprah. Oh my god, Opera Limited ripping? That's beautiful. Oh, you know what? Look at ASTS or ASTS. Yeah. Wow. That's a strong bounce. Alright, Starbucks, go for it. Starbucks going for high day. Yo, ASTS though is starting to pick up a little steam. What's space doing? Starbucks new high of day.
ELYS, Eli's Game Technology, has received Washington, D.C. sports betting license. That's Echo Lima Yankee Sandy.
What? The fuck did I just see?
Shares of Eli's Game Technology spiking to $5.41 and halted on a circuit breaker
We got a halt.
at the highs $5.41. Again, the company receiving its Washington, D.C. sports betting license.
Okay, what is the name of the ticker, homie? Tell me the ticker. You don't. I don't know why he does that. It's more hard to understand him when he does all that. ELYS. Okay. Yeah, there it is. ELYS on. Pretty boring day, I'm not gonna lie. But that's to be expected, I guess. What is Microsoft doing? Looking like it's gonna dump. Could it go fill its gap? 300 all the way to 299? Is that even possible? Shit, man. Certainly looks like it. What am I missing here? 302. Sudden alert there. Off. I meant off, not on. Oops. ELYS. They do have options, yes. They're closed right now. You can't see what they are. 7.5s are the only one available for 45. So I'll open those up. Yeah, thank you TradeStation for logging me out again. Oh, you have a trailing. See, I can't do trailing stops, unfortunately, for that very reason, because they can see that. Macy's is bouncing. Prefer it if it didn't do this. Okay. I guess if it climbs above 222.35, I'll cut. Oh, I'm sorry. Flexing on therapeutics. Wow, volume is out of control. Yeah, whatever's happening. Flexing on hourly. What did they do? Whatever they do, they got a huge base. LFXN. Oh, they have options too, my guy. There's just options everywhere.
BBIG getting a little pop here. Vinco Ventures, Bravo.
There we go, BBIG. Finally getting a pop off of the 200-day EMA. Ooh, money. All right, Eli's. Shit. Eli open. All right, Macy's guys. Unfortunately, I have to cut that one. It's at my stop loss, so. Yep, it's gonna go out and over. I'm cutting that one for a loss. It's 40%. I only bought 2. I'll wait for this 5-minute candle to close.
ELYS, Eli's Gaming.
Oh my god, those contracts are up so much. Shit. Damn, those contracts were 30.
Ecolima Yankee Sandy.
October, November, all of those are pricey now. Yeah, I'm gonna grab one. No, not yet. No, I'm waiting for a pullback, yeah. I don't know if I'm gonna get one. And I'm waiting for a pullback on Macy's too, so I can cut those.
ETX, Brooklyn Immunotherapeutics, popping to the highs here on volume, $12.09. Bravo Tango X-ray.
Yeah, it stays boring. Alright, this Eli Gaming thing is starting to really run. I'm a little bit perturbed that I missed that September call, because now it was at 30, it's at 50 now. Macy's needs to reject here, yeah. Netflix. Yes, yes, yes. Netflix. Yes. Target. Netflix. I'll take that with you, I think. Hold on a second. Hold on. Yeah. I will let you know when I get into Netflix here. 567. ELYS. I don't know what this thing's gonna do, but we're watching it. Okay, alright, I can't wait any longer. I'm gonna buy it. And if I take the L, I take the L. ELYS. That thing is just... the volume is going crazy. Let's wait. There it is. I was waiting for that. they're gonna go find the stop losses here, at least back down to 536. All right, and that's when I'll buy this dip. I think. Oh man, buyers are relentless here. No, I haven't cut Netflix. I just sat with the crap. Oh, you got a ELYS call? Shit. When did you get that? Did you get it at 30? Because I'm pissed. I sat and watched it too long. I didn't react fast enough. I wish we could get a big green cucumber on Netflix or Starbucks, though. Yeah, too expensive. QLGN. Flushing? Okay, perfect. All right, so 146 is where I'm going to average down here.
It's 11 o'clock.
I'm excited. I like the dip. All right. And also, yeah, there it is. It's on the 9-day moving average. Wow. Okay.
NAV, Navistar launches new electric International EMB series, now in production and available to order. That's November Alpha Victor.
November Alpha Victor, NAV. That's not right. Navi? Is that what you're talking about? Navi? Dude, you...
KEYS, Keysight first to submit protocol test cases for verifying 5G new radio devices that support release 16 features to 3GPP. That's Kilo Echo Yankee Sandy.
What?
PXLW, price target raised from $5 to $10 at Roth. That's Papa X-Ray Lima Whiskey. Roth says we met with PXLW CEO Todd DeBonis and CFO Elias Nader and came away constructive on both the company's fundamental growth opportunity as well as a catalyst opportunity associated with planned China Star IPO listing. That's Papa X-Ray Lima Whiskey again, Roth raising the price target from $5 to $10. Papa X-Ray Lima Whiskey.
Can you guys hear that? By the way, in my, like in the chat, can you hear Benzinga Pro, that squawk box? How do I turn it up? That's a good question. I don't know. Hold on. Yeah, I'm not sure. I do believe that Starbucks is going to pull back here. Starbucks will pull back to 116.75. Starbucks.
PUBM, Pubmatic, September $30 calls, Papa Uniform Bravo Michael.
Shit. Yeah, give me a $40 call for 45 bucks. Starbucks back down.
ALT, Afternoon 13G, filing out. Sphere of Funds Management reporting a stake of 8.84%. That's Alpha Lima Tango.
All right, I'm out of Macy's, I think. It's red. Yeah. Pubmatic. Nice entry there. I just grabbed a call on Pubmatic. I grabbed a 40. This is obviously short squeeze, so our people are trying to squeeze this, so I wouldn't go crazy. This is why going out till next week is awesome, because Starbucks obviously contracts aren't seeing any depreciation. CMPS. Whoa. I cut Macy's, guys. It's that pattern's gonna end up going a little further, so shit. Spy 929 410 puts. this is about the time where I go ahead and get off, guys. Boxer, what? Jamia, what? Am I in Jamia, and at what price?
Currently, I do not have any shares of Jamia. I have leaps.
I'm gonna stay away from the video. Too want to see you. Hold on 1 second. Alright, it is curling though. Yeah, I see the volume. 225 at a minimum, I think. Oh, you know what I didn't? Look at Hood. Oh, they're gonna take Hood to 45.34. Alright, Qualogen.
ME 23andMe study 23andMe sponsored study. 23andMe IPF research study posted to clinical trials website. That's Michael Echo study is recruiting. That's Michael Echo.
Shit, Disney.
EYES, Second Sight Medical, shares spiking here on volume. EYES.
Highs. Low volume. Oh no! It's actually got good volume now.
SKIN, Beauty Health, September 25 calls active, Sandy Kilo, India, November.
Oh, is that what he's in? Is he in that? He blocked me. I can't see him. I get blocked sometimes. I have a big mouth. Oh my gosh. Oh wow. You're going to fall. Okay. I think Disney's gonna be the last contract I take for the end of the day. Yeah, I think that Disney can do it. I'm gonna grab 185 next week, and I'm gonna leave it at that. Is Pub M still going? I stopped watching it. You know what one of my secrets is on YOLO calls? Forget about it. Okay, so Starbucks going for high of day, Pubmatic, also Qualigen, guys. I think I'm gonna take my last little fill right here. Yuck. Ooh, look at that, 100% on that Qualigen. Alright, adding to QLGN, just a little bit more here. Alright. Filled at 156.
TLSA, Tiziana Life Sciences, 2 trials posted to clinical trials website. Phase 1B multiple ascending dose study for Ralumab in primary and secondary progressive MS, and study of oral for Ralumab in participants with moderate to severe,
No way.
severely active Crohn's disease.
Whoa.
Both of those studies are not yet recruiting. That's Tango, Lima, Sandy, Alpha, TLSA.
TLSA, not Tesla, but the one that people confuse, Tasmanian Life Sciences. They're running a trial for therapeutics for Crohn's disease. Now, they haven't quite got recruits or anything like that, but yeah, they are seeing movement. Right now, I'm seeing option activity, guys, in Ally, AALY. Ally Financial is seeing $55 calls for October 15th. Also, if you guys got into Disney for that high day break, great job. Also, Starbucks looking to go ahead for that break as well. Sam, what do you got? Oh my god, dude, that is the worst chart, bro. No, bring that top resistance. See how that wedges extend themselves and they frustrate new traders. You always make sure. I hope y'all bought every dip, like I said. Okay, well, good luck. I mean, I hope it goes up. I hope it goes up for his followers, not for him. I hope he learns his lesson. I think if he somebody tweet this chart to him. Maybe that'll help his followers. Here, I'll tweet it. Maybe let's see if I can tag him. I don't know. I know I don't have it. Yeah, I can't tag him. But it's all good. I just tweeted it. If you want to tweet it at him. All right, guys. Did anybody get into that ad on Qualigen there? That was nice.
EVX Chevron says production remains shut in at Chevron operated Gulf of Mexico platforms. That's Charlie Victor X-ray.
I don't know what Ally is or Ally Financial's deal is, but they got a $55 call flow coming in heavy for them. Baidu $95 puts for January. Don't mind about it. $150 puts. All right, Starbucks going for that 182. Hey, GRWG. Oh, it's above 30.
ARON, Chronos Bio, Chronos sponsored study, a study to evaluate raplanib in combination with gilteritinib in participants with FLT3 mutated relapsed or refractory acute myeloid leukemia. Posted to clinical trials website. Study is not yet recruiting. That's Kilo Romeo Oscar November.
Solvent looks nice. All cannabis running. That's funny. That's funny. He's in a weed garden right now, and all cannabis is running. There must be a bill. There must be something happening. I mean, really, GRWG looks terrible on the daily. Nice pop here. You know, I'd like to see it above 33, 35, but I can't save him, man. Oh, I found it. Pubmatic, baby! Sorry. Yeah, him and Prophecy. I don't fuck with those guys. I'm gonna swing Qualigen, I think.
MARA, Marathon Digital, the October 41 call suite, Michael Alpha, Romeo Alpha.
Yeah, go ahead, but that'll be good.
Do you know when the groceries will be?
They should be here really, really soon. I'll check it for you.
Stat News reporting 2 top FDA officials in charge of COVID vaccines to leave the agency this fall. That from Stat News. BBIG, Vinco Ventures, the January 7.5 call sweep now. Bravo, Bravo, India Golf. 1,000 contracts.
Yo, I'm up so much on Qualigen just on the calls, like the out of the money calls are so doing really well right now.
ELYS, Eli's Game Technology. Shares now spiking to the highs, up 35%. Company reportedly receiving its Washington, D.C. sports betting license. That's Ekalima Yankees Sandy.
Shit. Fuck. Dude, ELYS. Anybody, did you grab that call? ELYS? Fuck. Damn it. What are those worth now? Fuck. Damn it, I almost bought those at 30. Can I get half a year? Oh my god. Dude, main dingus, please post that in attendees.
CARB Carver.
Oh my gosh.
Bank shares popping here, $18.32.
Oh my
Charlie
gosh.
Alpha Romeo Victor.
That's the that's the guys' voice that it's my favorite. It's my favorite. Ooh, you better hope that BBIG doesn't fall back down to support, or these people are gonna be pissed. Oh my gosh. Wow. Yeah, that's dope. Disney's pulling back here. I don't like how far away from it is. Shit, man. See, this is that shit that it does. Let's see, what do we got going on? Hourly time frame. Okay. Is that correct?
AAPL, Apple, Nikkei says Apple Watch production delayed. That's Alpha Papa Lima.
Apple iWatch production is delayed. Not iPhone. What is the wrist thing called? The watch, Apple Watch. Oh my god, the wrist thing called. Yo, what's up?
Not much, man. How's the morning treating you guys? I just finally got back to my desk.
Good. Really good.
Well, pissed at Disney, but because I think Disney's now going to trend back down to 180 again. But I didn't get any. I bought shares, but I didn't buy any options on ELYS. They just got approval for sports betting, and they shot from, I think, what was our entry, around like 509. I don't know. They bought those for 60, and they're at 100 now. So that one's run. I'm currently adding to QLGN, Qualigen. I've had to average down 2 times now, and right now I'm aiming for 145 for the next spot for an average down. So
QOGN.
Yeah, Qualigen. I actually bought some leaps on that one. I have about a little over 100 shares.
Are they getting used?
They got a price target raised to $9.
Oh wow, that's a hefty price target.
Yeah, I mean, yeah. So I'm gonna hold those. ELYS might be a good time to take a little bit of profit here. The volume here is skyrocketing to the highest it's been, so it either makes a new move and this is the new norm.
I've seen opened up nice
DDI
today.
double down interactive shares open.
Are you still in BBIG?
Priced at $18. That's Delta.
No, I'm not.
India.
Why? Is it dumping or is it running?
Oh, it's dumping. I just wanted to make sure you weren't in it before I started roasting it.
No, I'm out.
PDD, Pinduo Duo, January 100.
Dude, a bunch of people I
January,
saw on Twitter, like,
correction on that,
they
September
swung it on
$115
Friday,
calls
right?
on Papa
Which
Delta
was like
Delta.
great. You swung it on Friday, and you should have, you know, sold sometime and Monday morning. And they swung it on Friday and like bag held out the whole day. So I'm like, why would you do that? Like, if you set a stop loss or a trailing stop and get out for profit. Oh, wow. ELYS, dude.
Yeah.
Looks nice. You guys got a great entry, 509, man. You guys caught that news early.
Oh, you TP'd on that one. Nice job.
Yeah, by the way, I had a 400% play on QLGN. Because we caught it, like, at a good entry, the first initial spike.
And I owe Neo Electric reporting Neo BNCS 8 test drives in Norway. That's the
on QLGN options.
Yeah, Neo just started test driving in Norwegian countries.
Norway.
Norway.
Oh, okay.
He said Norwegian facilities, and then I went to say Norway, and then I ruined the whole sentence. That's okay. It's okay. So, guys, on Disney, if you're out on Starbucks, you think you're okay. I think I'm gonna swing. But on Disney, if you're in Disney right now, oh, I see it. Oh, I see this setup. Okay, hold on one second. Let me straighten this up a little bit. Slew, bring the marvel of space, exploring space to your classroom. I don't have a classroom. You guys want to explore space? Explore space via Sloan's online telescope network. That's cool. Snap. Yeah, fuck Snap. How's the old bot? What is the bot firing off right now? Game bullish reversal.
MARA Marathon Digital moving higher now. More call activity. The October $41 call sweep on Michael Alpha Romeo Alpha.
Huh?
Man Dingus said something about, he said what happened in Jamia. Chart looks fine.
They decided to try and open up an Amazon business in South Africa. That's what happened.
I thought they already did.
It's a joke. The infrastructure is hard to maintain. It's literally some of the. Yeah, it's rough. Wait, what's going on with traffic? Is there a fire in Michigan right now, or South Lake Tahoe? Yeah. Oh my God.
I've not heard anything about that. I love Jamia, dude. I think Jamia is great long.
Financials are still scary, but they'll get better.
Yeah, financials. It's a growth. It's totally like 100% just a pure growth play.
Yeah. All right, 148, guys. My stop loss, I think, up for Qualigen, and I think I'm fairly confident that we'll roll over here. As you guys can see, it's not dumping, right? Shorts aren't even there's not even really any whale type stop loss hunting candles that are happening now. Just a nice, smooth, controlled pullback. And so, right now, I'm just going to take this one, and the next bounce spot that it has, I'm going to average down again and likely take it for a swing. What are our major ETFs doing? See, SPY could go and actually rip. That's why I'm holding on to SPY. And then the Dow also rebounding here as well.
EGRX, Eagle Pharmaceuticals.
Eagle Pharmaceuticals.
Vasopressin patent trial. Echo Golf Romeo X-ray.
Echo.
U.S. District Court for the District of Delaware held that Eagle's proposed vasopressin product does not infringe on any of the patents asserted against the company. That's Echo Golf Romeo X-ray, EGRX.
I swear to God.
Shares
You know
of
what?
Eagle
I'm not even gonna go there right now.
at
What?
$55
Nope.
now.
The article that BP
13.5%.
posted.
What's Eyes doing right now? Yeah, Eagle Pharmaceuticals won a patent. Oh, Eyes. Dude, look at Eyes. I missed the first entry. This might be the second.
Your eyes or whose eyes?
Eyes. EYES. Look in my eyes. Deep in my eyes. Okay, so Starbucks, you gotta bounce. Oh, I don't like that. Alright. My stop loss is below 117.
Oh, it already ripped. Damn. It's breaking through that gap. So let's wait for that.
Oh wow. I don't like Starbucks. It's sitting funny. At least I don't like it for weeklies. I like it off maybe a tap off of 1709. This is so boring.
Volume is dying.
Just nothing's moving. I think we might end up popping towards the end of the day, but
Bala held really strong after that gap.
I'm a China bear.
China bear. Dude, how was Zoom?
Dude, I turned $100 into $1,100.
Yeah, that's what's up.
Yeah. There's ways to take earnings positions. There is. It's a real thing. I love it. You just have to. It has to be with. Yeah, it has to be within your risk. But like you can. There's always the risk. If you end up open a spread, you open up flat, right? You open a strangle, you don't move at all, or on earnings you dump and then immediately before the bell you run up, like that. Those are things that can happen. That's why you just don't never put anything in that you are not okay with losing.
Exactly. You don't. It's like how people invest in like no-name cryptos like that are nobody has no idea about, and they're just on pancake swap and you know nothing about. You're gonna put money in. You're not gonna put your whole savings in there. You're not gonna put your whole trading account in there. You're gonna put $100.
Okay. Sorry, real quick. What do you think of Apple? I called the top here, and I'm thinking, like I said yesterday. I think someone on Twitter thought I was being a jerk. I was not being a jerk. I was just saying that Apple's more than likely going to fake a lot of people out because I think it's inside of this channel. But this rejection right here, if we close below 150.74, I believe that we'll be back at 148, and I think that's the last straw for Apple. I think Apple will fall. That's just my thoughts on that one. So, also, you should tell me what you think of QLG.
I think Apple can go retest its high from pre-market, and that's about it. And that's like, I don't think it's going to go any higher than that. But like, I think that's possible because volume on Apple, like, yes, it's starting to kind of die down, but it's still relatively high compared to yesterday too. Like yesterday was really high. It's still relatively high today. QOGN, you said?
Yeah.
It just looks like a consolidation, man. Nothing
it looks like it's flushed. It looks like it flushed, and it should curl at least at 145. That's what I'm thinking. That's what my thoughts, anyway.
Here's what I think. I think it's gonna go get a test of at 140.
Dude, what are these dudes? I know they're building a roof, but come on.
Are you saying what 145 in the afternoon, or are you talking about 145 the dollar mark?
Are you talking about Apple?
No, QOGN.
Oh, the dollar mark. The dollar mark. Yeah. So right now, I'm looking at the hourly, and the 9-day moving average is at 135. I would 145 is like that previous rejection point. That's where, like, at a minimum, I would like to see it. So the candles, it looks sweet.
It's at 150. You talking about 154?
Wait, hold on. No, 145. Yeah, 145.
Oh.
It's at 150 right now.
You're taking it short.
No. I'm averaging down, right? So like,
yeah.
I'm looking for continuation off of this play. So what I see right now is it's instead of going down here where this looks like a very obvious short at 150, it's not.
Right.
Sellers aren't taking it anywhere. So in my opinion, unless they do, then we'll head back down. So
I'm looking for, like, the way I see it right now, the way it's holding, especially like volume has really died. I would say, let me look at level 2 real quick on it, because it looks like it could just go retest VWAP, no problem. Damn, you got some big boys hanging out at 154.
Mm-hmm.
Where is that? 154 is right. It's below VWAP by about 2 cents. Yeah, you got some big boys sitting there, dude. You have like, dude, they're not letting this thing get below 150 or get above 155.
Yo, Disney players. Sorry. Also, EYEG now. iGate Pharmaceutical. At 184, watch them to pop all the way to $2.50, even maybe 2.75. Hold on one second. IG, this is sympathy off of. Oh, look at the volume. Look at it right now.
There it is, stepping
Yeah.
out.
Oh, you want to get 100 shares, 200 shares, 300 shares? What do you want to do? That should be a stockbroker like that.
I'll take a small position. I'll take 50 shares just for now. Just for now, and then I'll size in.
GRWG.
Because it doesn't. I was looking back. You see random pops throughout all the days. Like literally, just like in the middle of the day, you just see a random volume spike. Georgie, is that you, or am I just hearing shit? Maybe I'm just hearing shit. I thought I heard Georgie there for a second. Guys, watch REKR.
WDC, Western Digital, reimagines the
Western
hard
Digital.
drive. Press release.
What is the
WDC. The news just came out.
WDC.
WDC. I gotta stop trading, dude.
Shares of Western Digital spiking 64.
Western Digital reimagines the hard
Company,
drive.
event today, Western Digital introduced new flash enhanced drive architecture that breaks the boundaries of storage.
There you go. WC introduced a new flash enhanced drive architecture that breaks the traditional boundaries of storage, building on the computer's unique ability with HDD and flash.
ATPS digital turbine.
I don't know what it is.
March 75 calls active.
Sounds cool though.
On Alpha Papa Papa.
Yeah, do it. Hard, whatever you say. Hard. You got a new hard drive. I don't even know what my computer does. I don't know how this is on. Is this magic? Oh shit.
There's a hamster wheel inside of it.
Right. It's Meat Barn or Meat Barn. Nick's hamster. You need to change your name to that, Nick, so I can stop saying that out loud.
Meat Barn.
And not, you can't do it. I have to do it for you. Okay, I'll change your name right now. Right now.
WOOF Petco, December 22.5 polls.
What are you
active,
talking
3,000
about, Obviously? What do
contracts,
you mean that I
Wisconsin,
smoke crack
Oscar,
today?
Foxtrot.
What kind of shit is this? I'm just seeing those messages now.
Oh, nice. I just got filled on QLGN. Shit might turn into a long hold here. I'm okay with it. I'm okay with the whole setup right now. Disney, unfortunately, guys, is not. It's not really holding. I mean. Sure, it'd be nice to see it move here, but I think I'm setting a stop loss at 180, 150 on Disney.
Disney.
Yeah, I'm down on shares, but up on options on QLGN. It's got my position green. How about that? I'm hedging the downside with calls. What?
I love it.
Watch the flag bounce off of GRWG here. Watch GRWG above 3161.
The shareholders approved merger with Mullen Industries. That's November Echo Tango Echo. Shares of Net Elements spiking to $11 and are halted now on a circuit breaker at the high as shareholders approve the
Net,
merger
N-E-T-E.
with Mullen Automotive.
Mullen Automotive merger happening here on Net.
9.5% now on November Echo Tango.
Up at $11 halted.
What? What's the ticker?
N-E-T-E-T, yeah.
Whoa.
Yeah. We'll take it when it opens. Target is going to be 11. What?
Did they say what the merger amount would be?
Yes. They're approving a merger with Mullen.
They didn't say the dollar amount.
Watch GRWG, guys. Yo, QLGN, yo, I'm up 275% on those calls. They just keep going up. It's weird.
IV.
Yeah.
Dude, it wouldn't honestly be a bad idea to trim some of those
reporting
into
Chevy
IV,
called
bro.
battery fix to increase
Just a
range
thought.
by
They're only up like $5.
8%.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
You
they're
said
not-
200%. I was thinking like
Yeah,
That's
that's
you're up
not
a
that.
couple $100.
Not that crazy yet. I'm looking at a 2.5 strike right now. I'm gonna grab one more here. 2.5 strike for $25 for October 15th. Not filled here. Oh no, I got filled. Never mind. Cool. Nice. So I have a $5 call, a $2.5 call. I have a good amount of shares. If we just go up from here, I'm happy. Disney's going for high day again. Hopefully we just big green cucumber. Chevy Bolt battery fixed to increase range by 8%. Wow. Oh, whoa. Captivate, a leading influencer market platform, announces has selected one of its first trusted partners to integrate with the all-new TikTok Creator Marketplace API. Now marketers will be able to access all that TikTok Creator Marketplace has to offer, first-party insights to plan more, execute, and report TikTok campaigns. This is huge, actually. Captivate. Do they have a stock? Captivate. I don't know if they even have a stock.
This is the name of the corporation is Captivate.
Yeah, this is smarter influencer marketing with a better way to find authentic creators. Wow. So creators put like, audit your competitors and identify trends. Shit. I'm gonna have to fucking download this shit. What the hell? Yo. Okay.
I googled the company, Captivate, and nothing's coming up.
It has an 8 in it, literally. Like an 8.
Oh.
Yeah. Here, I'll send you the website link. What? Whoa, are you guys debating meat barn? What is a meat barn? It's either or barn.
Yo, keep your eyes on NETE. I can't find a dollar amount, so this thing could just rip if people don't know how much it's going to be for, and it could rip a couple times until somebody releases a dollar amount. So that is the risk. Like, if as soon as somebody releases a dollar amount, and if it's above that dollar amount, it's going to halt down for that potential dollar amount per share that the merger is going to go for. So just have that in mind.
Sorry. I'm being all serious, I'm just laughing.
You're good, bro. Yeah, Captivate, I think, is it's private. It's a private company. It's not publicly listed.
Oh, dude, BBIG is hanging on by a thread.
Good. Let it come back down so I can buy it cheap.
540, 545. I wanted to. No, I don't. I have no reason to want that. It's being awful.
No, I want it back down to $2 where I originally got in. Feel bad for the bag holders, but sorry.
That door. Alright, either Starbucks just goes ballistic here, or I don't know. Watch Qualogen here. Ooh, can we get a big cucumber?
Shares spiking to the high, $7.21. 3SL Therapeutics.
So you did something
Robert
bad,
Charlie
Rob.
Tango X-ray.
Support? Oh, $40 calls for support. Man, leave that thing alone, dude. WDC getting flow. Or seeing movement. BCTX. Price spike. 2%. Disney. I had a 185 call. They're holding Zev down. Yeah, Chiromic Biopharma is spiking, but I don't know who the hell that is. What they do? What is? I don't know what that is. Mammoth Energy Tusk. That one actually is seeing. It's on the top of my scanner here. And actually it has a kind of an interesting setup, but I'll leave that alone because I don't play that shit. How about Max R though? No.
WOOF Petco.
XR has a I'm gonna have to do a little $34 call here. Yeah, that's a support bounce there. It's not time. It's not yeah, it's not time. It goes to 33.50 tomorrow, though, I imagine.
With the bid on.
Alright, I kind of want to dip by. Go ahead.
The bid and the ask on net and EPE is nuts. Right now, it hasn't opened up, but like it's all over the place. It doesn't make any sense.
Alright, guys. Hey, that's funny. I was just looking at sends. Like, as in the SENS.
Oh, is that moving?
It did just come up on my scanner. Also, DATS has maintained high volume today. It had a little bit of a pullback, but it still looks good, dude. It's actually on support. If you wanted to load the boat again, I don't know if it's going to hold it this time, but I was looking at DATS. Check this out. You'll like this chart, I think.
Let me see. You posted it in live?
I will, yeah. So
XCLA, Excella Technologies.
XCLA.
October $3 call sweep now. X-Ray Echo Lima Alpha.
Okay, I don't know what that does, who that is.
Okay, NETE should unhalt here anytime soon. It was supposed to. It should have unhalted finally.
So you either bounce and make a new higher high from here around the $8.50 to $9 level, or you're on support, so you break. So, but it looks like you got the will to bounce. Looks like Disney might want to go for a high of day here. I'm telling you, I think that we make a new high on SPY today.
ELYS,
maybe towards the end of the day.
Technology, September.
Oh, Eli's.
Sweep, Echo Lima Yankee Sandy.
ELYS. Pulling back.
A sports betting license in
Georgie,
Washington,
SENS looks
DC.
good, man. I like it.
Wow, net. That's a green. That's a chart setting up the news.
Yeah.
Oh, opened up at
Alright,
12.
Holy shit.
They don't even have options, dude. I don't think. Do they have options?
NETE.
No, I don't think so.
Dude, we're faster than
Shares
these things.
resumed trading now, spiking $13 now, and climbing following that announcement of the merger approval with Mullen Automotive.
Should I
November
market fill this shit?
Tango
Just go in.
Now shares are
I
at the
filled
high,
at
$13.18. Shares up about 30%
light. I didn't go
at
like
the
crazy
high
heavy or anything.
for November Echo Tango Echo.
Make collagen go up, dude. Please. Oh yes. Oh yes. Let's go.
There it is.
Let's
There
go.
it is.
Yee. Alright.
WREP,
really,
virtual
really
reality
I'm
executive.
crossing my fingers here that they don't release a low price truth shared all day, because then that means this thing could just run for like $40.
You talking about that?
Now from the company.
Yeah, if they don't release the price per share on the merger deal,
Hold on.
then this thing could run hard.
$5 call sweep for EYELS. Okay, I'm not seeing any details. Investors, okay, here we go. A global technology that supports electronic payments announced that Stockton approved a proposed merger with the company's wholly owned entity, Mullen Automotive. Okay, blah, 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 blah. Net Elements operates a payment as a service transactional value added service platform for small and medium enterprises. Okay, that's not, I don't need to know who they are, I need to know what's happening here. Forward-looking statements. Oh my god, this thing is fucking insane. Okay, I didn't get jack shit out of this, so...
If they don't give a dollar amount, like a share per, or a dollar per share, or a dollar amount as in like, hey, we're gonna merge for X amount of dollars, then...
The company will work on final requirements to conclude the transactions with Mullen Automotive as a reference in the company's Form S4 proxy statement. So I don't know if there's already a predetermined price there, potentially. High of day on Disney here, guys. Fuck yeah. Go. Disney! Hey, Disney, damn. Can you go to 185? That'd be sick. Okay, so we're breaking this pattern. If we clear this wick and close, go into 183, 184 zone, I think we see 185 tomorrow. And if SPY pops like I'm predicting, same thing. Here's... What's net doing now? Falling. Oh, look at the 1 minute. Beautiful. Okay. Maybe retest of $12. Be careful here. It'll flush. Hit 12.
Oh.
What? You said no?
No, I said yo. Sorry. I had jumped off for a quick call and then just hopped back on.
I was just saying net should hit tap $12 if it can't hold this level here. I think it's best to watch this on the 1. Eli pulling back here as well. I think it's halted to the downside. Oh no, it's not. It's just not moving. Thinking about taking your DATs.
Yeah.
Tesla advances
Buy up,
goal
baby.
of selling cars in India, which is harder than it. Oh wow, Roblox. Wow. Okay, let's go chart this thing. What a weird dingus. Yeah, I still have lemonade. For those of you who are wondering, I do. I'm not fucking leaving. No, just kidding.
I'm not leaving.
Do you think Tesla hits 750 this week? Yeah, I do. What do I think of swinging APPS calls ahead of joining the S&P Mid-Cap 400 index later this week? That's not a terrible idea. Usually when a stock goes into an index, it trades. It has a good pop. A couple. What is your experience with that?
Yeah, typically as into the inclusion announcement, it will run. So I wouldn't swing weeklies on it though. I would swing next week's, and just to make sure you hedge yourself in case it decides to pull back. Because if it gets added into an index and the index is pulling back itself, then you're not going to be making any money. You see what I'm saying?
This man bought an NFT with everything that he owned. Wow. And then it worked. It fucking worked.
Sometimes people get lucky, man. Sometimes people get lucky. I was watching an interview with this guy who had all he had in like his entire savings, everything, his whole checking account was like 10 grand, and he put it all on one crypto, turned it into 100K over like a 5-day period. Then he took that 100K and put it all on another crypto and turned it into $3 million over 2 weeks. So within a month, this guy went from having 10 grand to $2 million bucks.
Go ahead and
just
sorry.
Straight YOLOing. No, go ahead. Sorry.
Here, no, the article that you were talking about. Here's net.
DATS, that chat. Circulating a trademark filing.
You did what behind your computer? Oh, okay. Playing on the. Okay, got you. Yeah, no problem. So I'll give you my what I'm watching right now. Oh, what the hell? I think I'm gonna buy DATS. I think I'm gonna buy it. I'm gonna once it gets above that wick, I'll take DATS. Okay, so positions currently, I have a Disney call. I've already taken profit on some closer in the money strikes. I have a few shares of net in ETE. I also have a contract of PubMatic for September 17th, $40 call. That's just in case we squeeze. I have Qualigen. I currently am holding a little bit over 100 shares. Looking to increase my position size, but I'm in options as well with a 2.5 call and a $5 call, and I also have a Starbucks call as well, so 120. Okay, and with that, everyone, I think I'm gonna go ahead and take off. I've been on for far too long. I said I would be on till 10. It's 12.
Yo, stay on for the net pump real quick because this thing might sell off. So the article is saying that
Dilution?
No, not there. There's not any. I'm not seeing dilution anywhere. But the article is saying that they're gonna go at the stock price of 11.15, but they're going to receive an additional 15% on top of that. So this thing could still continue to run, or it could pull back to 11.15.
Okay. I am still in Starbucks, yes. Yep, not leaving. I'm still in Disney too, by the way.
You said you ended up grabbing some dats. I heard you while I was typing something.
Just barely, yes, just a little bit. But all right, guys. No, you're okay. No problem. It's all good. All right, guys. I gotta get off. I'm exhausted. I'm gonna go ahead and I'll be on around 3:30. Hopefully with some swing trades. Manage your guys' risk. If you're in positions that I'm in, I'm pretty sure I let you guys know what my stop losses were. With net, if you're on with Atlas, I think anywhere as it goes into the $12 gap, I'll cut it there. Disney, I would suspect some sort of retest coming here relatively soon. But so far a good climb. Hold on one second. Let me lift this up. Okay. That's pretty much it. I will signal if I cut anything drastic, but QLGN is actually my largest position as we speak. I do have TTNP as well, September 17th. So Titan Pharmaceuticals, I do also have those as well. So I appreciate you guys as well. Thank you so much, guys. I'm sorry I kind of extended my stay a little longer than I wanted, but hold on, GRWG.
You're not welcome here.
Okay, GRWG. Fuck. Okay. I'll take a $32 call for September 10th. I'll take a $32 call. I don't know, dude. Who would want to trade that? Your call goes in the money, you get $40. I don't know. I'd rather trade a weekly. I kind of expect Starbucks to pop. My gut feeling is we pop here in the next maybe 5 or 6 minutes, and we head to 117.60. My stop loss is going to be 116.95 candle close. Disney is just going, so I'm gonna just continue to ride that train. Oh, dude, these QLGN fucking options, dude. What?
What are you up?
I mean, they just shoot up 100%, like immediately. They're just up.
Mm.
Roblox, double bottom. Okay.
How's the spread on those, bro?
I don't know. Hold on one second. Sorry.
You're good.
I don't know. $5. So not bad.
Oh, that's not too bad. No. I was thinking the spread was like drastic, like $20-30. Because the way you were talking about how like it was changing, I was like, dang, either this thing is a mean spread or IV's insane.
Yeah. Alright guys, I'm out. I'll see you later. See you Twitter. See you everybody. Thank you guys. Up like